Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and this is where I make cheap, easy vegan meals and also plant-based lifestyle videos. Oh no, my nail's breaking. Stay. Hey Daisy, come, don't mess up my system. Don't trip over. Today we're gonna be making a vegan cheesecake. It's gonna be super easy. Only 7 ingredients, I think. Let's get started. Why do you smell weird? We'll figure out the smell later. I have cashews, walnuts, maple syrup, a lemon, coconut milk, dates, and coconut oil. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my crust, which is going to be made just with dates and walnuts. I'm gonna write the measurements here, so as I put everything in, you'll know how much you need. I just got a food processor. I have never had a food processor in my life, and so many recipes require it, so this is gonna be really exciting. Because it's not the cutest little thing you've ever seen. It's a food processor, and this is the piece that you attach to it. And it's got a bunch of different attachments, like it's also just a regular blender. So basically I need a cup of dates and a cup of walnuts. Oh my God. Okay. I know it's supposed to be a metric cup, but today it's gonna be a Samantha cup. I hope that this food processor works with this much stuff in it. The sticky. So. Okay, it's like moving in clumps. My ears are ringing. I should tell you guys also that I am relatively scared of cooking appliances. I've had them catch fire on me, I've had them break on me, but this one I'm not as scared of because I don't think that the blade could work its way through this. I'm gonna knock on wood just in case I jinxed it, but so I'm going to spray my pan. I don't want to breathe that in, I really don't like it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the bottom of each spot for a muffin because that's gonna be the crust for our cheesecake. One of my girlfriends who owns a vegan bakery is coming over, and so I'll get her to try one of these. These crusts might be a little thick. A for effort. I'm using my fingers because this is not working. Okay, it works with my fingers. It was the spoon that was the problem. Sometimes cooking relaxes me and sometimes it doesn't. Today I woke up really anxious. And now I'm feeling a bit better. This is why I like easy, non-complicated recipes because you don't actually have to stress about them. You just mix it all in a bowl, and you know what? If it turns out like crap, a lot of the time it still tastes good. There's one little ball left. Maybe I'll have a little piece of it. And it's pretty healthy. I mean, it's got fat and sugar in it with the dates and the walnuts, but natural. So if you're not worried about fat content, which I'm literally never worried about the fat content in my food, but I'm now realizing I was supposed to soak my cashews and I forgot, so I'm gonna go boil those. Usually when they start to float and do that like rotating thingy, that's when they're done. So I'm gonna boil some cashews and I'll be back. And then we'll mix in the cheesecake part of our cheesecake. In the meantime, I'll mix everything else into a bowl. I need the juice of a lemon. Why is this lemon so hard? Okay. I'm putting it in this first so that I can take out all the seeds. There's some little seeds at the bottom. So now I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Now I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup of coconut milk. This stuff is so good. Use this for curry. Ow. This looks kind of gross, but whatever. 1/2 cup of maple syrup. So this is gonna be very sweet. Honestly, I could probably add a little more coconut milk. Maple syrup. So what I assume is going to happen with some recipes when you freeze it, coconut oil actually solidifies. So once this freezes, then it'll just all be these hard little cakes. Okay, this tastes amazing. Amazing. Wow, I think that's honestly one of the best things I've ever tasted. I have my boiled cashews. I'm going to put them in here. You can see all the steam coming off of it. So now I'm gonna put in my mixture. Seems pretty smooth, but I know cashews don't blend that fast, so I'm gonna let it go a little longer. This looks so beautifully creamy. Like, look. That is so good. I swear on my life that this is probably gonna be one of the best recipes that I will have ever tasted. Now I'm going to dump this in my little pots. Let's just pretend my station's clean, okay? My dog falls asleep to the sound of me talking. So something that this recipe suggested was to add flavors into them. So you could mix some peanut butter or some blueberries or some caramel flavoring. Honestly, I don't know what I have here because I'm at the cottage. I'm gonna take a look and see if I have anything. I think the peanut butter is gonna be good. So I'm gonna put peanut butter on some of these. I wanna make the peanut butter ones really obvious. So I'm putting more peanut butter on top so you can see it. I can't move this too much, but you can see the peanut butter on top of those. And the other thing I'm gonna add is I have a natural hot chocolate. This is just stuff I have at the cottage. I can't decide if this is a mistake or not. No, it's actually really good. So that was really, really easy. So there's the chocolate, there's the peanut butter, and there are the regular. If I had berries or something, they'd be super cute just decorating the top of these. Something to keep in mind if you're making these at home. You're not at your cottage with nothing. There they are. Bye. High five. You finished off the bowl. Oh my God. I was in the kitchen for 2 seconds. What the? That is clean. What did you do? Do you feel bad for what you did? Do you have any remorse? No, I see a tail wagging. Didn't leave these in the freezer for long at all, maybe just a couple hours, but my friend Helen came over. She owns a vegan food store and she's gonna come and taste them. Hey, Days. Let me know what you think. It's finally frozen at least.
It doesn't taste 100% like cashews, which is good. You know, it's got that like nice cheesiness to it. It's good.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the spot. I'm a huge fan of date crust. Basically anything with a date crust, I'm like,
It was so easy too.
so easy.
Just walnuts and dates.
Yep.
And a food processor.
Yep. I really like to add oat to my date crust to just help bind things. You know, oat flour is really good too.
What would you give it a 10?
My personal enjoyment self says like 8.5.
Yeah. What would you change about it?
If I'm just being picky, I'd probably make the crust thicker, more like graham cracker like. And then the cheesecake feels like it's more of like a frozen cream as opposed to fluffy cake.
Yeah.
Which I think is the thing that would be good for that.
I'll
Although
do
this
that.
is also a delicious treat, especially in the summer.
You could turn this into popsicles.
Yeah, that's a great idea. That would be delicious.
Like creamsicles dipped in chocolate. The chocolate would hold it together.
Put some like orange extract in there and then that'd be so good.
I guess that's the whole video.
Oh, I didn't realize we were still recording.
Yeah, still on. Sorry. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Make these. They're delicious.
Yeah, they're really good.